Hi, I'm the founder of Code24. This is a platform which helps you in coding. It does not live in your terminal or it does not live in your IDE either. It's a completely independent platform. Well, let me take you through it. So, first option is to edit instructions. You can click on it and edit your instructions here. It also has some pre-generated instructions based on your file. You can also have some commands run here because it has an integrated terminal. You don't need to switch between tabs for it. You can reindex your code base, change between agent and ask mode, or even maybe switch models. And then once you are done configuring your app, then you can go ahead and ask it to implement things while you are working on some other things. So all the code which you see here, from the main file to Stripe to authentication file, all part is written by my application, which you can see. Also, you can see here that I have asked it to integrate webhook and then give me the exact commands, so on and so forth. Now let's just go ahead and ask it something else. So basically we can ask it implement endpoints to create Stripe subscriptions. So why it works on this, you are completely independent to go ahead and work on different parts, which is maybe better authentication, or maybe Stripe setup, or maybe in example TS configuration setup, so on and so forth. But you can also like endless possibilities. It does not take up your space like this cloud code here. If I open this up, you can see it starts taking your space, and this is the space you are left with to code. Now you can close this, but eventually you will have to open this to maybe go through the file, or open up the extensions, or open the Git tab. So it saves you space, because screens, like if you have a portable laptop, then also it's a huge issue. And it can say, okay, a fully functional production ready post endpoint at API slash Stripe slash create subscription has been implemented, accepts customer price ID and optional trial period days and a quantity in the request body, creates a Stripe subscription and returns a subscription object. No redundant code remains. The solution is ready for immediate use. Now let's just go to index.txt file. Let's close the cloud code, and then let's see, we have the subscription create subscription endpoint here. It takes out the fields from the body, and then it also checks some validation. You can also see it has also implemented the middleware to make sure the authentication is required. Creates a subscription, so you get a function to create Stripe subscription, and then returns the subscription. And then let's see this function. So here is this function to create the Stripe subscription. Stripe.subscriptions.create customer items, trial periods, payment behavior, and expand. So it does for you, where you can work on other parts of the app and you can ask it to code in your app along with you. So it's a really powerful tool. So give it a try.